Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate and how I plan in my daily planner. I just noticed the cover's popping off because this is just getting way too full already. So let's find out where we are. Somewhere in here. Okay. So what I've been using for this is an Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo coiled planner. Whoa, that's a lot of words. I've been using stickers that I make myself. People sell kits, but I don't know, it's been kind of fun trying to make my own. So every week I make my own and then I just experiment with them, how they turn out, and put them in my planner, whether they turn out or not. So these are getting pretty close to being how I want them. It's just not the paper that I want yet, but this is some paper that I had laying around, so I'm using it up. So I guess we will just start planning. And since this is the one day that's by itself, I'm going to use this. There's this one single pattern. All these other ones match. So I'm going to take this one and put it onto Monday. So this just gets stuck up here on the header, and I kind of just line it up with the bottom of that purple, because that's what we're trying to do, is get rid of the purple for this week. Now we need to put the date on there, which is Saturday. Do I want to use the pink, or do I want to use the green, or do I want to use a mix? I think I'm actually going to use a mix. So I think this green might look better on here. And I never know, you can do whatever you want. You know, if you put the date after the day of the week, or if you put it before. So I'm going to follow what they've been doing, and this is the 20th. So I'm going to stick that on first, just because it will make it fit better. So let's put the 20th over here, and then put Saturday next to it. Okay. Now I didn't realize I have the numbers one color and then the days of the week a different color. Don't know if I like that either. So another thing to make note of. So I decorate one day at a time. I plan one day at a time because it's a daily planner, but I do decorate for the whole week. So I'm just going to keep going and putting the headers on here, and I can speed this up. Saturday on here, it should have been Monday. So let's go back to Monday. So this sheet's all done. So then what else do I always put in? Let's see. We have these big boxes. Okay, so I've only been able to fit 6 on here. So what I'm going to do is use these other boxes over here. And I think on Monday, since it's not a matching day, I'm going to do this and take, kind of color do I want? Maybe a blue and a green, minty green maybe. And I'm going to put these down here. All right, so that looks kind of cute on there. And then I'm going to put the big boxes on the rest of the days. So let's do that quick. These are all different. Huh? What do you want to put? Let me see which ones we want to use. I think we're going to put these on here. Let's go back to Monday again. And then the next thing I like to do is fill in my dinners and when I take my vitamins. So what do we have for little boxes? These ones may actually be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let's try these. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess we're going to try, I'm going to do a scallop one here again since. So I put dinner at 5 p.m. Now I'm thinking this box fits nice. And then I made these little plates. There's enough on here for if you want to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I only do dinner. So I'm going to put that right here. And then I put my vitamins up there. So what do we want to use for that one? Again, you know, it's so odd because there's 7 days now instead of the even 6 amount. So this first day is going to be a little different than the other ones. Put that one there. I'm going to go to the next page and we're going to use these other stickers for these. I think these might be too long if I recall. Let me see here. Yep, these ones were made a little bit longer. I got to adjust the sheet. I didn't realize that they were too long on this one, but they are. That's what's so hard about trying to make stickers is getting the size right and then getting the the machine to cut them right. And what was I putting down here? Oh yeah, dinner. I'm going to use these for dinner. But again, these are too long, but we're just going to stick this at this 5 o'clock mark and hope that I think we'll know that it's for dinner time. I'm pretty sure. I'll just put this over here then. And again, I'll speed this one up because it's going to take a minute. The next thing I like to do is take some headers, which I didn't make them either. I just made these really long strips, so I guess we're going to have to use those. And maybe I'll do a matching one here. I only have to-dos, yep. Or let's see if this fits on here. I'm not sure if it does or not. Hoping. Oh yeah, okay. No header, we'll just stick that there. And we could actually stick this along the bottom. There's just a little bit of decoration down here. I think I'm going to put it in this last space right here. Is that too long? Oh, I think I should have moved it over to the edge. Alright, so that's how that one's going to go. So again, that's to the next pages. And then I'll finally get to start planning. That's it. Okay, so we are done. So let's go back. And I think that's all the stickers I put to start out with. Yeah. All right, so I need my pen. And this is an Energel 0.5 needlepoint pen by Pentel. And it's been my favorite pen lately. I switch often. Okay, but now on this planner, it is a daily planner, so I don't pre-plan anything in here. The morning of, so today's Monday morning, the 20th, I start planning in the morning. So right here I write in vitamins. I just do VIT and I do a little checkbox, and meds and a little checkbox. And then I'll do the weather up here, but I won't do it this moment because I don't have my stickers with me, but I put the weather right there. Down here I write dinner. I don't know if I even know what we're gonna have tonight. I'm just gonna put, what do I want to have tonight? I think we're just gonna have some soup. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then I start making my to-do list. On Mondays, I do my orders. So it's a little different than the rest of the week. I don't, the rest of the week I walk and do other things, but on Mondays I just get all my orders done so I can get them all out in one day. So I put my morning routine as, I just write up, plan, and ready. I don't put all the things. Sometimes I do, like, feed my dog, water my dog, all that kind of stuff. Usually I just do this. And then I put, my dog's name is Sully, so I'll put him here because I do have to take him out before I get working. So then here, we'll start work at 10. I'm just going to put work on orders. And then I like to get them done by 1, and then I take them to the post office, so USPS. And do I have a ruler around here? What can I use for a ruler? Anything? Piece of cardstock? Okay. And I usually draw a box around here. Just, it's kind of hard with this paper. But I'll just draw this 2 here. It's not gonna work. And then across here, a ruler would have been nicer, but sometimes you gotta use what you got. And then in here, if there's certain things for work I need to get done, I'll put them with a little checkbox. Sometimes I put the items, if I only have a couple orders, I'll put them in there. Right now I'm not going to put anything because I haven't actually thought about that yet for today because I'm filming prior to planning. So then that will go in there. Let's see, anything else? I have to prep for the soup, so I'll probably start dinner prep around 2 to give it time to cook. So I just write dinner prep here. And then up here for the to-dos, I'll put takeout meat, anything frozen that I need to put in the soup. Basically, that's all it's going to be. So I'll put takeout meat, and then I'm going to put cut up vegetables. Trying to think what else. And then the 20th, do I have anything to go? If there's any bills that I pay that day that have to be mailed, I also take them to the post office. So I'll put check bills due. And what else? It's after the weekend, so I usually need to tidy some. Let's see, I did laundry on Thursday, so I probably won't have any laundry to do. For now, that's all I think of that I want to do. Now, sometimes I will split this and put my work to-dos down here, but since I have these boxes, I could put those here. Actually, I forgot one major thing. Jeez. Okay, so I'm going to go to the post office here, but now at 1:30, I have to make note of this because I didn't leave myself a whole lot of room here. I have, what color do I want to use? I guess all I really have is blue. I have an oil change appointment at 1:30 and I almost forgot that here. Move it over a little bit. That is not good. Okay, so 1:30. And I'm just going to make that bold so that it sticks out. Since I already forgot it once, I don't want to forget it again today. Oil change. All right, so dinner prep probably will not be starting at 2. So if I had my white out, I would white that out, but I don't at the moment. So I think I'm just going to draw an arrow down here so that I can start that when I get home. Yes. Okay. What else for Monday? I thought there was other things I had Monday. I'm going to write in here, tidy up from weekend. And actually, I have bedding laundry to do. Oh, wait a minute. Am I looking at the wrong day? Hello. Oh, no, okay. I'm just putting tidy up from weekend. Jeez, confusing myself. I'm thinking it's a week later. So I don't really have anything else to do for that day. And I don't have anything to write in here yet. If there's something for the future, which actually I'm going to put that here. I just like put a little star. And my daughters are both coming home this weekend because my youngest daughter's birthday is on the 23rd on Thursday, and she asked for a special dinner to be made. So I have to go to the grocery store to get those items. So I'm going to put groceries for groceries. And I spelled that wrong. How come I can't think how to spell that? Groceries for. Oh, geez. Birthday. My pen doesn't want to write. Oops. Why is it not writing? Birthday dinner. And I'm going to have to get my white out and fix the groceries. I don't like how that looks. So that's going to be important there. And then I don't know about dessert, so I think I'm going to put dessert. Don't know if I'm making or getting our dessert. Question mark on that. But that's something I got to think of for the future in the upcoming week. So I put that here just to draw attention to it. Okay, so that's all I do, and I leave these for the morning of because I don't want to get ahead of myself, because this planner is basically just for to-do lists. So that's what I want to leave this for, my things to do. So now I think we're going to go plan in my catch-all planner and in my memory planner. So I'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.